Hello, good evening, guys. This is the last part of our walking tour in Prince Turki Street here in Khobar, Saudi Arabia. So, this is very close to the Corniche side, and there is a McDonald's here. This is the Prince Turki Street. So, we are now here in Corniche. It's Friday night, and many people are staying here on the playground, and they will be staying overnight until Saturday morning. So, groups of friends, families. There's a lot of people here. It's full of people, families, and they are enjoying their time. They are having a great time during this weekend. This place is very close also to Asdan Walk, which is on the left side of this area. This is the city bike. That dark side is already the sea, and this is the basketball court where Filipinos used to play here during Friday morning or Saturday morning on the weekend. So that's all for this video, guys, and thank you so much.